So cute. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today, I will be putting you on to another subscription box. Very excited to see what they sent. Bombay and Cedar is a very like natural, relaxing, healing, cleansing type of box that you get every month, and they sent me their July box, and I'm super excited because this looks really cute already, so I'm super excited to see what's in it. I'm totally that person that loves like essential oils and crystals. I think they're like really fascinating and cool and aesthetic, so like I do like that stuff. So this is a lot of the things that might be in this box. It's very like organic, natural. I'm super excited, so let's get into this video. Okay, so obviously you can see it is so cute. It has this really cute pattern. I just love boxes that are already patterned, that are not just regular cardboard. That's so meaningless, but like I love it. Ooh, it's so cute. So right inside it says hello, super cute, oh my god, and there is a cute little sticker holding up a bunch of stuff together. So let's rip her. Okay, we clearly got a lot to unbox here. So I do not know what any of the stuff in here is, because it is random. It is a monthly subscription box by Bombay and Cedar. So a link to them will be down below if you're interested. So let's get all of these little twists out of the way, these little paper twists. We love a MoMA piece. Alright, oh my god, the box smells so good. It smells like citrus. Okay, I'm so excited. The paper about the July box, which is to elevate. They're so cute. I am ready to see things differently. Be ready. It's all about like mindset. And then it explains everything that's in this box. So they also give you like other motivational stuff, which is cute. Okay, here is all the stuff. Okay, I see a hairbrush. Fun. Okay, let's get into it. A bamboo hairbrush. So this is by Be Kind. Okay, I always need another hairbrush. I have a lot of hairbrushes, but I'm always willing to take one. It's practical, it's useful. We stand. Distributes hair's natural oils. Yeah, it feels good. Good hairbrush. I like that she's thick and big. Okay, I love that. All right. Ooh, what's this? A shower spray? Made with 100% pure essential oils. So it's a gently encouraging and peaceful blend of soothing citrus oils for an enhanced shower experience. That was the citrus I was smelling. Oh, okay, so it's like steam therapy shower spray. I've actually like never heard of that before. Shake well before use. A few sprays into the steamy air over your shower head will permeate the entire room with vapors to uplift your spirit and brighten your mood. Oh, cool. So it's just for like a nice little spa shower moment. Ooh, it smells literally like an orange and a lemon. That's nice. It just livens up your mood a little bit, which we stand. I love things that like are supposed to just elevate the mood and stuff. Like I love that. Now we have Pearly wipes by the Vanity Project. Dentist approved. Contains 1 compact. Drink, clean, go. Oh, a quick mouth cleanup when no toothbrush is in sight. So these little Pearly wipes, they clean and whiten your teeth on the go with natural teeth wipes that remove stains from coffee, teas, lip stains, wine, and more, and refreshing breath. So on the back there are a bunch of ingredients, so it is a bunch of stuff. So there are 15 peppermint flavored wipes, and there's a bunch of different like citric acids, oils, calcium carbonate, and also this is really cute. Like look at the little design on this, and it's so flat and small, and it's actually something really cute to just keep in your bag. And also this mirror is very useful. I could see like everything in my mouth, like literally everything. This is a very good mirror. Like actually my balcony is right there, but you could see it like curve, so you could see more as you could literally see how it curves. But it's really cool. I like the color of this box too. It's very cream, and here are the little wipes on the inside. They are very pepperminty. Like a natural peppermint. Like you could smell the difference between fake peppermint and natural peppermint. This one's very natural. I like this box because they're things that I never even knew I needed. Like these are such like random useful things. This is really cute. I love that a lot actually, these Pearly wipes. I mean obviously I have to try them and see if they work, but like the concept and like the execution is very cute. I like that. Next is the Bombay and Cedar. There's a cute little bag. Let's see what's in here. A couple cards, and okay, I called it. Essential oils are in this box. Okay, so there's peppermint essential oil and lime essential oil. Ooh, I've never smelled lime essential oil, so I'm super excited about that actually. They tell you the benefits of both of them. Like lime cures infections, prevents viral infections, cures toothaches, prevents signs of aging, a bunch of other stuff. And then peppermint improves digestion, eliminates bad breath, reduces nail infections, like very specific things. It also tells you the prices of everything here. So these would be $14 and the hairbrush would be $17, and like a bunch of them are around like the $18, $20. These are the little essential oils. Very, very cute. Obviously you could use essential oils in an essential oil diffuser, or a lot of times like peppermint and eucalyptus you could actually put on acne spots. I've done that before. But yeah, okay. I'm really excited to smell the lime. Oh my god, that smells a lot like the citrus shower spray. Obviously they're all like citrusy scents, but that smells so good. That reminds me of a margarita. That's where my mind goes. If I had a summer house, I would have that in the summer house as the permanent scent there. Good old peppermint. I love peppermint. Peppermint tea is like my favorite tea. Oh my god, you don't get it. Like during winter, peppermint is just my thing. Like I love peppermint so much. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm so happy I got these two scents. They're like everything I would love, because there are a lot of scents I'm not a big fan of, like eucalyptus. Like I'm not a huge fan of these, but these two are like things I would want in a candle, which I think I might as well just get an essential oil diffuser at this point. Like I really should. Now I have 4 essential oils. I really might as well just get an essential oil diffuser. Like what am I doing? There is still so much in here. Let's get into something bigger. Let's get into this. I got her. Oh, so cute. So this is a Magnolia Home soy wax candle. Look at this little paper packaging. Okay, that's so cute. I love the little lacy thing on the top. It's very dainty. So here it is. This is the Magnolia Home little candle, and it is made out of paper. It's really nice, and then it's a simple candle right here. Love that this is made out of paper, so we're saving the planet just a little bit more. It smells like vanilla. Kind of smells like cupcakes, kind of smells floral. A simple glass candle that sits inside a white textured craft bag, which can be used as a small catch-all when the candle is removed. Available in scents Dwell, Love, and Gather. Okay, it doesn't say the scent, but it smells very lovely. It's a good cozy summer scent. And I honestly just might keep this in this white packaging because I kind of really like the paper packaging versus like the candle. I mean, obviously if you like a simple look, do that, but like this is really cute. It does say that if you get the premium box, then the hairbrush, the shower spray, the candle, and apparently a scarf are involved. This is everything that comes in the non-premium box, and then it adds a couple of these items in the premium box. So if you get the normal box, you're already set with a bunch of presents, but if you get the premium box, you're really like Christmas ballin'. This is honestly one of the better boxes I've gotten because I feel like there's just so many things. Okay, moving on. So here are the Neuro Mints, natural caffeine and L-theanine sugar-free energy mints. There's 12 pieces. I'm always like in need of a mint. They have an all-natural caffeine, brain activity, focus, clarity, lasting energy mint. This isn't just for your breath, girl. This is for your life. This is for your mindset. It's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and aspartame-free. Okay, y'all are really saying a lot to me right now. It is very cute, and all you do is slide it open, and here they are. These are pretty big mints. But wow. This is claiming a lot. It's like 7 p.m. so maybe I shouldn't add more caffeine to my body today, but definitely DM me on Instagram if you want to know. Again, this is like a very useful, innovative thing that I would have never known that I could possibly need. Now we have this little tube, a rejuvenating mask. Oh yes, we love a mask. I love masks so much. So it's cannabis sativa seed. Whoa, I've never seen a mask made out of that. Okay. I love that everything here is like natural and vegan and gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, toxic-free. I love that. So they give you a little mask. Natural fatty acids and antioxidants found in hemp seed oil make it a good choice if you suffer from dry or sensitive skin. Cool. Apply a thin layer to the face to use as an everyday moisturizer. Oh, all right. This is cool. Obviously I'd have to try it, but again, if you ever want any information, Instagram DM me. I will be telling you everything. Everyone wants that CBD. Y'all know I'm obsessed with masks, so very fun. Oh yay, food. I'm so hungry. Here's Stretch Island strawberry fruit leather. Definitely very natural, organic. Oh my god, I want to eat this right now so bad, but I'm probably gonna save it for work tomorrow because that's the smartest choice for me right now. I am actually a fan of fruit leather. I do not buy it enough. I actually forgot these things existed. They're only like 50 calories, 0 grams of added sugar. Okay, go off queen, 100% fruit ingredients. So yeah, this is really good snacks. I'm gonna save this for work tomorrow. I'm not gonna eat it right now. Ooh, a journal. Here's this journal. It is a sturdy journal. This really cute design on the side, and in the front it says she creates. I love journals so much, and this is a hefty journal. Like this is a, oh, the insides. Oh my god, oh my god. So like they have like the aesthetic paper and it changes. Oh, that's so fun. That's so fun. Okay, so it's like one of those journals that has like random pages being different to encourage you to just like write your thoughts and ideas. And there's like, here it says life is a canvas here. Like they just have like random things, obviously places for you to write to, but I love, ooh, look at this page. Look at this page. This is such a cool journal. But it also does give you papers like, here it says chasing ideas and catching them all. It's just like an aesthetic journal. Oh, look at the back page. I love that. This is just aesthetic. Like it's really, this wasn't even in the premium box. Wow. Okay, so finally we got to the last item. Hi. This is by Loft. So it's a two-tone striped oblong scarf, and it's available in several colors. It's just so fun to constantly be exposed with like new brands and companies. Like that is just so fun. This is Loft, and it is in the color beige, and this is just a summer scarf, which I stan. Half of it is just like beige, and the other half has this really pretty design on it. Very like indie, and it is a little, oh, it is glittery. Okay, so some of these little things are definitely glittery. It's really long. Yeah, it is oversized. So you could turn it into like an infinity scarf if you want. You could wear it in summer, like in fall. This can match like any outfit ever. It is beautiful. It has little tassel thingies on the bottom. Alright guys, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. There was so many things. I totally recommend this box. Everything seems very good quality. It's just so much for the price. Like I can't believe that. This is so cool. So yeah, if you want your own, the link is down below, and thank you so much for sending this to me. So freaking cool. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. I am a senior, which is terrifying to say because I hate feeling old, but I am a senior in college right now at a SUNY. This is the person that requested this video, and I actually have a couple other people that requested it. I was really thinking about doing it, but then I got this request and I was like, perfect. So happy I went away for a SUNY because I was considering going to a CUNY and just staying at home, but I am so happy my sister convinced me to not do that and go away. And I learned so much. Learned how to deal with people, learned that someone can be your friend but may not be a good roommate, and someone